Welcome to River Market Tower, where the lifestyle is low maintenance and the community is incredible. Unit 1706 is stylish and cozy. The finishes are bamboo flooring, quartz countertops, and marble bathrooms. It's 2 bedrooms, 2 bath with an outstanding balcony. It's perfect for watching your sunrise every morning. River Market Tower is chock full of amenities. It offers a party room for when you're entertaining, basketball courts, tennis courts, a pool, and a fitness room for your use at your convenience.